Meaning of elevate.
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 Elevate. To elevate means to raise something or someone to a higher level, position, or status. The result of elevating can be the improvement of someone's status, the enhancement of an object's position, or a boost in morale. When someone is elevated to a higher rank or position, they are seen as more important and influential. Similarly, when an object is elevated, it becomes more visible and noticeable. Overall, elevating has the potential to create positive change and increase visibility and influence.